Accept payment method. So let's jump right in this video. So let's click on website here, and then from here let's click to edit a website, and then from here let's wait a couple of seconds, and now let's click on here online store. Please now click on manage store, and now from here we can add products, payment. Let's click on payment, and now here we can set up Stripe. Make sure you set up Stripe, and then once you're doing that, go to settings here, and then once you're in settings, make sure you select payments on settings, and then once you're in payments, select payment method here. And if you scroll a little bit down here, you should find what you're looking for, APS, popular in Australia and Austria, and click on turn on, and that's what you basically need to do. I hope you found this short video helpful. If you have more questions, leave your questions down below. Thanks for watching, and take care.